join DK Schoolhouse because on the 25th of February, we're going for a field trip.
This school is the best
For
school
4
ever.
hours.
I love DK
Day in the life of a broke student. And this is Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike, say hi. Anyways, this is Janie. And this is Neela. Neela is very cute.
This is a tour of our classroom. Very nice. And this is all the students. It's snack time right now. And this is our ferry. So beautiful. It's almost finished.
Alright, what's your name?
Max.
What's your favorite subject?
English.
Hi. What is your name?
My name is Phnom.
Yes. What is your favorite subject?
English.
Hi. What is your name?
My name is Moonhei.
What is your favorite subject?
Art and craft.
Me too.
My name is Radai.
Yes. What is your favorite subject?
Art and craft.
Hi guys, this is Diana and this is Jana. This is Hira and Tonle. They got blocks. Oh, we're going to recess. Those are recess.
Your child's second family.